Today I will play game in my PC. I open my PC with K is running, but I get a bad ticket of my Windows. Is activate Windows. The people of world have his big problem your PC or laptop. I research and research. Finally, I know solve. You see, my PC is not activated. This problem go with you. A problem with Microsoft. Yes, bro, I'm serious with Microsoft. Just follow me. First, open Windows PowerShell. Read this code. You get this code on the bio and click Enter. Wait a minute. And the blackboard is normal for security. Write 1 Windows. Wait minute and wait operation is finished. Success and congratulations. Your Windows is activated. Don't forget tell me did you like this video? So don't forget like and subscribe and teach in up. Goodbye.